Next one we'll see about the dot convention. As you can see that there are two inductor, one is L1 and another is L2. Two dots are at this side, so that means the current is entering. Okay, current is entering in the coil. Both the currents are entering. In the L1 also current is entering, in this also the current is entering. So that would be the series aiding connection. That would be the known as series aiding connection. Okay, understood? Now there is another case that if one of the two inductors are there and both the cases current is leaving. Okay, so in this case also current are leaving. So in this case the formula for the L equivalent is how much? That is L1 plus L2 plus the mutual inductance. Mutual inductance is how much? 2M. Got it? Now there is another case if one of the current is entering and one of the current is leaving, right? Because here it is entering and here it is leaving, correct? So in that case the formula would be L equivalent would be L1 plus L2 minus, and the mutual inductance between them is suppose M, so the formula would be minus 2M. Okay, again there is a different case if one of the current is leaving and one of the current is entering. That is technically known as series opposing connection. Okay, that is technically known as series opposing connection. So in both the cases formula is this one. So if both the dots are at the same side, either entering or either leaving, then L equivalent is this one. If both the currents are at the opposite side, either entering or leaving, then it would be the negative sign. Got it?